Hello, this is a review of the Pentel PH158. It came in this case. I bought it from Bureau Hengst. I look how it called. bureauhengst.com. It's a German seller. So this mechanical pencil has 8 different colors you can choose from. I have no, or you turn this clip around to choose a color. I have now choose the red color. The black tip and the triangle here have to be in one lane, and the chosen color must be in lane with the lid 2. Then you push the click mechanism. You have to hold your hand under it because it's a falling lid holder or falling lid mechanism. So I have chosen the red color and can draw now what I want to draw. When you want to put it away, you push the click mechanism and let it back, let it fall back completely. It's now inside. I give you a better look of the 8 colors they come with. I have paid about €12 with €3 shipping within Germany, and it's the cheapest seller for the German market I have found in the World Wide Web. I will put a link down below for where you can buy it, or where I have buy it. It's really what I like about this is the 8 colors inside here, and I want to use it on my workplace for highlighting some spots on technical drawings, and I do it not every day, so and sometimes I need really much colors for highlighting same individual spots for technical drawing. Yeah, so this mechanical pencil leads, they don't dry out with the time, so I can put it out in 20 years and it's not dried out. The colors are not dried out, but they are not not so bright like with felt tip marker. But I go with it, for the reason it's reliable for a long time compared with a regular felt tip marker. When I want to when the leads are empty, or the leads are yeah, I don't know the right word, empty, you choose this refill or you turn this refill sign to this spot with the other two inlane marks, so you can push the mechanism further down, and when you further down, and when you do it, the head here opens wider, and you can completely put the lid out. When you have this refill sign backward of the marks here, this click mechanism does not go very further inside the pencil, and the lid does not come out completely. It saves it from getting lost, for example. When you have finished with your marking, you put it back into you have to turn it around and put the click mechanism, so it slides back into place. And for me, it's for this for regular markers, pencil markers, for regular pencils, I save the time for sharpening on my workplace, and it's I save time. Yeah, that's the reason I bought it, and it has in one mechanical pencil 8 colors, so I save space in my pen holder pocket. Yes, that's the reason I bought it, and I'm very I like it very much. I found not a similar good product that is I didn't find a product now in December 21 that is better on the market generally. It is slim, about it's about 1.7 centimeter broad, and and 14 long on the spot here. It's sorry, it's not 1.7 centimeter, it's 1.2 centimeter here, and here it's 1.6 centimeters. So it's the slimmest I have found on the market, and it's I have not to buy it from China, where I have to wait about 3 weeks. I had it from Germany, bureauhengst.com. I throw a link below in my under the video. But here was a manual in German one, and English is it. When you want to check yourself the mechanism, how it works. And here's another language I don't know which is this. Yes. That was the review of the Pentel PH158. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.